friends, welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. Today I'm sharing with you 10 of my favorite freezer items. These are our go-to staples that you will always find in my freezer. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl, and also let us know in the comments below what items are always in your freezer. We always have blueberries in our freezer, traditional and also low bush or wild blueberries, which are smaller in size and contain more antioxidants than traditional blueberries. 1 cup of wild blueberries contains 24% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin C and 36% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin K. Consuming blueberries has also been associated with supporting heart health, lowering blood pressure, and supporting brain function. Frozen strawberries. I love adding frozen strawberries to my morning smoothies. They're packed with vitamin C, manganese, folate, which is vitamin B9, potassium, and fiber. One of the easiest ways for me to consume cauliflower every single day is to add frozen cauliflower into my smoothies. You can, of course, buy whole cauliflower, wash, chop, and freeze, but for convenience, also look for ready-to-go frozen cauliflower in the freezer aisle. One of the things that I love about cauliflower is that it's a nutrient-dense food. 1 cup of cauliflower contains 77% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, 20% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin K, and additional vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B6, folate, which is vitamin B9, potassium, manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus. Cauliflower is high in fiber and known as a cruciferous vegetable. Cruciferous vegetables contain a compound known as glucosinolates, which may help to fight cancer. We always have some Hillary's veggie burgers in our freezer. I like to look for the ones that have a little bit more protein. These have 8 grams of plant-based protein, and they're super simple to make. We just bake them, dice them up, we put them on top of salad, or we'll dice them up even smaller and add them into a pasta sauce. Frozen peas are one of our kids' favorite vegetables, and they're so easy and quick to make. A half a cup of green peas contains 4 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, along with 34% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin A. We also love to keep a few frozen burritos in the freezer. Erin and I will eat these for lunch with a side salad, ideally topped with some avocado and salsa. These are Amy's frozen burritos, and I really love the bean and veggie variety. Another freezer staple are these freezer waffles. These are from the brand Birch Benders. They are actually a paleo waffle. They have no gluten, no grains, no dairy. They're made with tiger nut flour. They have a little bit of protein, a little bit of fiber, very few ingredients, and I feel for a freezer waffle, they also have a good texture. I really like these, and I often will have these as a mid-morning snack, typically after my morning workout. Has anyone seen the waffles? I can't find the waffles, and I need to talk about them next. I'm shooting a video about freezer favorites. Anyone? Kids? Husband? Waffles. Did you eat them all? Perhaps? Is that why they're missing? We love Daily Harvest, and we always have some in our freezer. I love the Harvest Bowls, the flatbreads, the smoothie cups. They have little snack bites, the scoops, which are like their dairy-free ice cream. This one is pistachio plus toasty, buttery hazelnut crunch. It's dairy-free, it's delicious, and the Harvest Bowls are really great quick lunch. You just dump the ingredients that's in this bowl into a pot on the stovetop, add a little bit of water or broth, and bring it to a warm temperature, warm it up on the stovetop, and then it's ready to go. It just takes a couple minutes, and it's such a great way to make a quick, healthy lunch, or even a snack in the afternoon. But we always have Daily Harvest in the freezer because it just makes it so easy to have a quick, healthy meal when we're super busy. Next is this organic chicken bone broth from Bonafide Provisions. Every week I make a homemade soup, typically on Sunday, and it just makes for a lot of easy lunches throughout the first part of the week. I can just grab a mason jar of soup out of the fridge, warm it up on the stovetop, and it's lunch for everyone. Me, my husband, my kids eat homemade soup. They're big soup fans, just like their mom. And this is our foundation for our soups, is this broth. I love bone broth for a number of reasons. One of them is that it adds protein to my meal. It's very nourishing and can support gut health. This is a very cold item. My hands are freezing. This is a cold freezer item. Another one of my favorite dairy-free ice cream options is this one from So Delicious. It has no added sugar, it's made with coconut milk, organic coconuts, it's creamy and delicious, and I love that it has no added sugar because I love ice cream, but all that sugar added into ice cream, especially if you're wanting to eat ice cream multiple times a week, it's nice to find one that's delicious but that has no added sugar, and I just feel better in general when I'm eating less added sugar, so this is one of my favorites. My hand is so cold from holding this ice cream. Can I hold it like this? Is that awkward? Okay, maybe try like, should I have a glove? Wait. Can I hold the ice cream like this? Everything is so cold in the freezer. Hi guys, this is my favorite, Nikes. Hi guys, this is my favorite. So another great, this is not gonna work. I think that's it. That is what's in my freezer. I made notes, I did it, I spoke words out of my mouth, and I shared things. I deserve a treat. What should I eat? I think I'm gonna eat one of these, followed by some of this, followed by some of this, followed by a waffle. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about my favorite freezer items, and I would love to know what is always in your freezer. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Healthy Grocery Girl, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video and you'd like to see more videos just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!